So spring is around the corner. In some places already feels like spring. And I went to get a bunch of bulbs from Walmart. These are plant shopping in Walmart. I'm trying to get some more ferns because I love ferns for the shady parts. This one is the ferns cinnamon. And I'm having a little corner ready for it. Not too close to the house, but close enough that I can enjoy them. And this one I think I'm going to put in a pot. My grandmother used to have this, so I have a tender spot in my heart for them. It is called the Christmas fern. I also knew them as a sword fern, so I guess in different places they call them different ways, and they are all for the shade. This one is a canna lily, and well, despite the funky name, it is a beautiful flower with yellow edges. I didn't see it before and it was so cute. It looks beautiful. So I'm going to put them in a sunny spot that I have. I am rebuilding the flower beds around here. They're just sand and dirt and weeds. So for this price, you cannot just not do it. So I went plant shopping. I saw this gorgeous Canna Picasso. Gorgeous. It seems like it is an annual, but I'm sure that if it isn't exceedingly hot and if it is in a place where you can just keep an eye on it, it will come back next year. So this is the Canna Picasso. And over here, I have clematis. I have been shopping for this one online, just, window shopping, and they are so expensive. I thought, well, I'm going to find a chance to get one at a reasonable price, and then I saw this. It's only one, and it is a root, so that explains the price. And this one is called Clematis City of Lion or Leon, whatever you want to call it. It is a gorgeous, intense pink or kind of washed out red. Looks beautiful. And it seems like it has a ton of them. I don't know much about clematis yet. I know there's 3 types. One that you prune a lot, one that you prune a little. But I'm going to research a little bit. And what I know is that they like to have the root ball on a shady area and the rest enjoying the sunlight. And over here in this zone, we have plenty of sunlight. And also I got an agapanthus, which I have had for many years. This one seems a little shorter than the type I used to have that was bluer. This one looks more purple. It's 3 roots. It is called Danube. And also is for the warmer zones. Well, it doesn't tell you the zone, but you can always check online. Typically, they are safe for 8, so I would be a little scared to leave them in the cold if we have a cold winter. But overall, they are perfect for this zone. And here I am planting all the ferns in provisional pots. But actually, sometimes I'm thinking that I'm going to leave this provisional plastic pot and just put it inside of a pretty one. Because number one, I wanted to see if the ferns are actually going to be awakened and grow. And second, I think it needs a little bit of an extra buffer between the pot, the clay pot, and the actual bulb, because the heat here is kind of intense. And I'm just going to make a test on seeing if it works better with a double pot. I'll tell you later. If you're enjoying this video, click or tap the thumbs up. Your thumbs up really makes a difference. I have so many more bulbs to plant. I'm just not even recording some of them. I will make an update with more of the stuff that I have been planting, and also the flower beds, which we have so much stuff to do. And if I start just messing around with the camera, I literally take longer the time. And also, I bought fishing line. I am not going fishing. I'm going to keep the deer away, and that will be another video. So keep an eye over here, so whenever the video is ready, you can see it. And thanks for visiting.